Dear parents and students, good day. Thank you for being part of the growing FE Roosevelt community. I am Ms. Jen from the admissions office. I am here today to guide you on how to navigate or to access your Student Central or your NetSuite account. The account that you can access your enrollment status, tuition fee, payment, balances, and then most important, you can monitor your grades while studying here in FE Roosevelt. The account that you created during the admissions will be the same account you will be used every year until you complete basic education here at FE Roosevelt. So there is no need to create new account every enrollment. So again po, hindi po gagawa ng bagong account kapag nag-enroll every year. So kailangan lang po natin every enrollment is down payment for the specific school year na mag-enroll po kayo. So all of you attending today have completed the admissions and enrollment process for school year 2025-2026. So your NetSuite access or your Student Central access has already been sent to your email in your registered email during registration. So sana po lahat naka-receive. Kung wala po sa inbox, pa-check po sa spam. Ayan. So to begin with, the Student Central frequently asked questions. So how to log in or where to log in FE Roosevelt NetSuite account. So kindly visit FE Roosevelt website, feroosevelt.edu.ph, click on Student Central, and then Student Central for Senior High School, K-12 to Senior High School. And then the login page will appear. So to log in, use your student number without R. So ito po yung nasend po sa email ninyo. Ito po yung sample na nasa screen. So lahat po yan nasend po sa lahat ng email ng new student and old students. Sinindan pa rin po pati mga returning student. So ayan. So next po, if you encounter concerns like username or password is incorrect, so kindly verify po kung tama po yung email na linagay po ninyo. Again po, student number without R at feroosevelt.edu.ph, and then the password are also sent in your registered email. So kindly verify po if correct po yung nailagay po natin sa login page. Then next po, if you encounter a concern like you're logged in another computer, so ibig sabihin lang po, the student is not properly logged out from the previous device that they are using. So properly log out or advise the student to log in again after 30 minutes. Next po, if this login concern is no student with this email is found. So again po, please verify if the email is correct or try to log in to Far Eastern Group Customer Login. So pwede niyo po itong i-search sa ating browser. So mas specific po itong website na to, naka-allocate lang po siya for FEU, for Roosevelt students. Next po is the Student Central Dashboard. So once you log in, so ito na po yung student dashboard po natin. So for the first time user, sa mga new student po natin and returning student, so this dashboard is blank. So you need to set up. So again, the link to set up po the dashboard is also sent to your email. So next po is how to set up your account. So ito po, nasend din siya sa email, and then ito din po, to set up po sa mga hindi pa po naka-receive ng email or hindi po nila na-view yung instruction. So kindly set up, hover on the three dots under the custom content, click set up, and then the personal details is the advisable view po na dapat po makita ni student dito. So dito makikita niyo po ang inyong name, status po kung active na po kayo for this year, batch kung anong section po kayo, kung anong grade level po sa student, kung anong campus po kayo belong naka-enroll. So kindly check po kung tama po lahat ng information na nakalagay po dito. So if may mali po or may corrections po kayo sa details na nakalagay dito, lalo na po sa name, kindly if there is correction, kindly send your birth certificate to our registrar's office para po ma-check po nila kasi importanteng detail po ito. Ito po yung magagamit ni student habang nasa FE Roosevelt po sila. So habang may corrections po, pakasend po para maayos po natin bago si student graduate sa FE Roosevelt. Next po, how to view your section. So ngayon po, ongoing po ang sectioning. So if hindi pa po lahat may sections, so dapat po dito nyo po makita yung sections na student under batch. So please check din po kung lahat po kayo ay mayroon ng sections. So kung wala pa naman po, kindly monitor. So ongoing po ang sectioning as this student active. So kung active na po kayo, please wait lang po. Magkakaroon po kayo ng sections. Next po is the outstanding balance. So ngayon po, sa mga student po na may sections na po ngayon, so nagre-reflect po talaga yung balance. Pero don't worry po, sa mga student po na nag-apply ng scholarship, lahat po ng discount hindi pa po reflected ngayon sa NetSuite. So magre-reflect po yan kapag na-validate na po lahat ng application, lahat ng requirements. So disregard na lang po muna ninyo ang nakalagay po na balance. So maaayos po yan kapag na-validate na po lahat ng scholarship applications. Next po is the student grades. So ayan po, ito po mahalaga po ang grades. So kailangan po every quarter ma-monitor po natin para po makita po natin ang status ng students. So hindi po tayo magulat pagdating ng end of school year, sasabihin po na wala pong na-view na grades, which is ang grades viewing po natin ay available po dito sa ating Student Central account. So click lang po Student Central, K-12 grades, and then My Grades. So we have schedule for the grades viewing every quarter. So usually po every 2 weeks after the exam, we release po the schedule for the grades viewing. Next po, so every quarter, you may filter po kung anong available na quarter po yung pinapa-view sa atin. So para hindi po lahat nakalabas, so kailangan lang po nating i-filter kung anong quarter, kung anong grading period po. Ayan. So make sure lang po to filter the correct academic year and term with FEUR. Next po, for the NetSuite assistance, so if ever may concerns po kayo, pwede po kayong mag-email or pwede po kayong tumawag sa amin sa NetSuite. So meron po tayong assistance in every campus. We have Sir Jeff, JP Sumalinog for the Rodriguez student, FAU Roosevelt Rodriguez. And then for Kainta students, we have Ma'am Au, so Miss Aura D. Samson. And then for Marikina student, we have Ma'am Arlene. Ma'am Arlene Q. Perez, pwede po kayong magtanong sa kanya. Pwede po kayong mag-email or pwede po kayong bumisit dito sa campus. Next, sir. Ayan. So, FE Roosevelt Central Office dito po sa Kainta, room 1110. Or you may also call us. So, and then email at netsuite@feroosevelt.edu.ph. So, ayun po, maraming salamat. And again, welcome to FE Roosevelt.